To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull on the loose strap tight. To release, lift off on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tied low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwind window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs on the seat overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. Even evacuation if necessary. Follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft is life raft equipped. There are 2 life rafts located in the forward ceiling compartment and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartment at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch. Pouch as shown on safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle in the front and pull to tight. Once outside, pull down on the right tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow the tube under your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for the use of the life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, seat back and tray tables are in the full upright or lock position, and your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area or on your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, and destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the latest passenger information signs, posted placards, and information on seatbelts and smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tube is fully extended. Place your mask over your mouth and